I see it all the time. That moment of truth in front of the mirror, the steam gently rising, blurring the edges of reality. You spot that tiny black dot in the mirror, lurking like a tiny unwelcome guest. It's a blackhead, and it's calling your name. And the urge to squeeze is real. That instinctive reaction, the feeling that you get rid of it. It's a battle against your own skin. But as your friendly neighborhood dermatologist, someone who's seen countless faces and heard countless skin stories, I'm here to say, stop the squeeze. Resist that urge. Put your hands down. Squeezing can cause inflammation, turning a tiny problem into a much bigger one. It can push bacteria deeper, spreading the problem and even leave scars, those unwanted reminders of past skin struggles. Instead, let's break up with aggressive picking, that damaging habit that does more harm than good, and start a smarter routine, a gentle and effective approach to clearer skin. I'll walk you through a dermatologist-approved, tried and tested method, step-by-step guide to manage blackheads at home, a routine you can easily incorporate into your daily life. No harsh methods, just gentle, effective care. We're talking about nurturing your skin, not attacking it. We'll cover prepping your skin, creating the perfect canvas for treatment, choosing the right products, understanding what each ingredient does and how it benefits your skin, and safe extraction techniques, because sometimes a little help is needed. You don't need fancy tools, expensive gadgets, or complicated procedures. Just a few simple items you probably already have, hiding in your bathroom cabinet. We'll talk about the power of steam, how it gently opens pores and prepares your skin for cleansing, the right ingredients, those powerhouse components that actively combat blackheads and promote healthy skin, and how to prevent blackheads from coming back, because prevention is always better than cure. This is about shifting from panic and picking, that frantic, stress-induced behavior that only makes things worse, to calm, consistent care, a mindful approach that respects your skin's natural balance. Ready to change your relationship with your pores? To stop seeing them as enemies and start treating them with kindness? Let's get started. We'll explore the science behind blackheads, understanding how they form and what triggers them. Aftercare steps, those crucial actions you take after treatment to soothe and protect your skin, and even eco-friendly options, because taking care of your skin shouldn't come at the expense of the planet. By the end, you'll feel confident in caring for your skin the right way, empowered with the knowledge and tools to achieve a clearer, healthier complexion. Say goodbye to squeezing and hello to a smarter, safer approach, a routine that nurtures your skin and promotes long-term health. Your skin will thank you, and you'll thank yourself for choosing a path of kindness and care. Before we tackle blackheads, let's understand them. A blackhead is a clogged hair follicle filled with dead skin cells and oil. Totally normal. The black color isn't dirt, it's oxidation, like an apple turning brown. Anyone can get blackheads, but hormones, genetics, and lifestyle play a role. Hormonal changes boost oil production, making clogs more likely. Heavy, oily products and poor cleansing can worsen the problem. Stress can also trigger more oil. Oily skin needs oil control. Dry or combo skin needs gentle exfoliation and hydration. Sensitive skin, stick to non-irritating, gentle formulas. Knowing your skin type is key to choosing the right treatment. Let's move on to prepping your skin for safe extraction. Achieving great results in skincare, especially when it comes to extractions, truly begins with meticulous preparation. It's not just about jumping straight into the process, it's about setting the stage for success. Always begin with a thorough cleanse. Double cleansing is ideal. This ensures that you're working with a clean canvas, free from surface-level dirt, oils, and pollutants. Use an oil-based cleanser first to dissolve makeup, sunscreen, and stubborn grime. Oil attracts oil, making this step incredibly effective at lifting away impurities without stripping your skin. Then follow with a gentle, water-based cleanser. This second cleanse removes any remaining residue and ensures your skin is perfectly clean and ready for the next steps. For oily skin, try a mild salicylic acid cleanser. Its exfoliating properties can help to unclog pores and prevent future breakouts. For dry or sensitive skin, use a creamy, hydrating one. These cleansers nourish the skin while gently removing impurities, preventing irritation and maintaining the skin's natural moisture barrier. Next, steam your face to soften clogs. The heat helps to loosen the debris within your pores, making extractions easier and less damaging. Just a bowl of hot water and a towel will do. Lean over the bowl, draping the towel over your head to trap the steam and create a mini sauna for your face. Or use a warm, damp washcloth for a few minutes. Gently press the warm cloth onto your skin, focusing on areas with visible blackheads or congestion. For an extra boost, use a clay or charcoal mask. These masks are excellent at drawing out impurities from deep within the pores. Apply after cleansing and before steaming. This order allows the mask to penetrate deeply and effectively remove dirt and oil before you soften the pores with steam. These masks act like magnets, drawing out impurities, excess sebum, and environmental pollutants that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Apply to problem areas like the nose, chin, and forehead. Let sit for the recommended time, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Proper prep makes extraction safer and more effective, minimizing the risk of scarring, inflammation, and further breakouts. Now, let's talk about safe ways to remove blackheads, ensuring a clear and healthy complexion without causing damage to your skin. Now that your skin is thoroughly prepped and ready to go, we can move on to the next crucial step. It's time for extraction, but we're going to do it the smart way, focusing on methods that are both effective and gentle on your skin. Remember, patience and consistency are key. First, let's talk about chemical exfoliation. This is a fantastic way to loosen up those blackheads without any harsh scrubbing. Salicylic acid is your best friend here. It's a beta-hydroxy acid, or BHA, that penetrates deep into the pores to dissolve the clogs of oil and dead skin cells that form blackheads. Use it a few times a week, starting with a lower concentration to see how your skin reacts. And always moisturize after using salicylic acid, as it can be drying. Hydration is key to healthy skin. Second, we have gentle physical exfoliation. This is all about using the right tools and techniques to buff away dead skin cells on the surface. Opt for soft scrubbing pads or konjac sponges. These are much gentler on the skin than harsh scrubs, which can cause irritation and even micro tears. Apply light pressure, using gentle circular motions. Focus on those blackhead-prone areas like your nose, chin, and forehead. Third, let's consider peel-off masks. These can be effective for removing surface-level blackheads, but it's important to choose the right kind. Look for gentle formulas that contain clay or charcoal. These ingredients help to draw out impurities from the pores without being overly aggressive. Apply the mask only to the affected areas, avoiding the delicate skin around your eyes. And when it's time to remove it, peel it off slowly and gently to minimize irritation. Use sparingly, maybe once a week, to avoid over-drying your skin. Fourth, we have Comedone Extractor Tools. These can be very effective, but they also require a delicate touch and proper hygiene. Sterilize your tool thoroughly with rubbing alcohol before and after each use. This is absolutely crucial to prevent infection. After steaming your face to open up your pores, gently press the loop of the extractor over the blackhead, applying even pressure. If the blackhead doesn't come out easily with gentle pressure, stop right away. Don't force it. Never ever force extractions, and never use a Comedone extractor on inflamed acne. This can lead to scarring and further irritation. Each method has its place in your skincare routine. Experiment to find what works best for your skin type and sensitivity level. Remember, when it comes to skincare, less is often more. Don't overwhelm your skin with too many products or treatments at once. Overdoing it with any of these methods can actually damage your skin, leading to redness, irritation, and even breakouts. Stick to these safe and gentle methods, and you'll be well on your way to clearer, healthier-looking pores. Next up, let's focus on soothing and protecting your skin after extraction. This step is just as important as the extraction itself. Your aftercare routine matters just as much as the extraction itself. It's what helps to calm your skin, prevent inflammation, and promote healing. So, let's dive in and explore the best ways to care for your skin after blackhead extraction. After extraction, your skin needs TLC. Apply a calming toner or serum with niacinamide or Centella asiatica to reduce redness and support healing. Moisturize. Even oily skin needs hydration. Choose lightweight, non-comedogenic formulas with hyaluronic acid or ceramides. Protect your skin with SPF 30+ every morning to prevent dark spots and sun damage. Avoid harsh actives for 48-72 hours post-extraction. Stick to gentle cleansing and soothing products during recovery. This aftercare helps your skin heal and prevents future breakouts. Now let's talk about keeping blackheads away for good. Prevention is the real win. Cleanse morning and night to remove oil and debris. Use salicylic acid or a gentle retinoid regularly to keep pores clear. Change pillowcases twice a week and clean your phone and headphones often. Avoid touching your face to prevent bacteria transfer. Watch for food triggers. High glycemic foods and dairy can worsen breakouts for some. Eat antioxidant-rich foods and stay hydrated for healthy skin. Consistency is key. Build a routine you can stick to. A simple regimen, cleanse, moisturize, exfoliate, and mask weekly, works wonders. Be patient. Results take time, but dedication pays off. Now let's bust some common blackhead myths. Let's clear up some blackhead myths. You can't shrink pores permanently. Just keep them clean to make them less visible. Blackheads aren't caused by dirt, and scrubbing harder won't help. Over-scrubbing damages your skin and can make things worse. Gentle cleansing and chemical exfoliation are safer and more effective. Pore strips? Use sparingly. Harsh adhesives can irritate and damage skin. Sun exposure doesn't clear blackheads. It can actually make them worse and damage your skin. Always wear sunscreen. Now let's make your routine more eco-friendly. Clear skin and a clear conscience go hand in hand. Choose refillable skincare products to cut down on plastic waste. Swap disposable cotton rounds for reusable pads. Try DIY clay masks to reduce packaging and control ingredients. Look for cruelty-free, biodegradable, and recycled packaging. Solid cleanser and moisturizer bars are great low-waste options. Recycle empty containers through brand programs like TerraCycle. Small changes add up to a big environmental impact. Align your skincare with your values for a healthier planet. Now let's wrap up your journey to healthier skin. We've covered everything from blackhead science to safe extraction and prevention. The key? Be kind to your skin. No more harsh squeezing or scrubbing. Prep with double cleansing and steam, then choose safe removal methods. Soothe and protect your skin after, and always use SPF. Prevention is about daily habits. Cleanse, moisturize, exfoliate, and mask. Pay attention to lifestyle diet, pillowcase hygiene, and hands off your face. Make sustainable swaps for the planet, too. Progress, not perfection. Blackheads happen, but now you know how to handle them. Commit to this new, gentle approach. Share your journey and tips with others. Together, we can achieve clearer, healthier skin. Thanks for joining me on this path to better skin. Your skin and the planet will thank you. If you love natural and homemade beauty tips, you're in the right place. Like this video, leave a comment with your favorite DIY skincare hack. And don't forget to subscribe for more expert advice and home remedies. Your support helps us bring you more natural beauty secrets every week. See you in the next video.